Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to find a Facebook account by phone number. So if you have lost contact with someone or want to connect, this tip might help. So let's get into it. First, open your Facebook app or go to facebook.com on your browser and sign in with your account. Now on the Facebook homepage, in the search bar at the top, type in the phone number you want to search for. Make sure to include the country code if you are searching internationally, like +1 for the United States or +44 for the UK. If the person has their phone number linked to their Facebook account and it's said to be searchable, their profile should show up in the search results. But if the phone number isn't associated with their Facebook account or they have privacy settings restricting who can find them via their phone number, you might not see anything appear. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.